take out the trash. You can keep track of the different foodstuffs that are in there. Very easy to do that. Find the food, let's say British eggs. And usually there's like a date on the card. So you're just going to look at the date of the card. It's going to say 29, automatically 18 days. It's going to count down each day until it gets the right. Like I told you, you need memos to notes, memos. You can tell the kids, hey, don't forget your homework, or like we have on there, pick up the trash. You can also handwrite notes. Very nice, very nice. We also have the ability to have some specialty screens. Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Happy Anniversary, stuff like that. And look at the quality.
Yeah, it's really nice.
That's a refrigerator, that's not a TV.
Amazing. What about actual TV? Can you watch a football match?
We have to do it through the internet application.
Right.
So if you can't do it here because the internet is just awful in here right now. But if you were to pull up
YouTube.
a site that you can watch and you can sign into, it acts just like a normal screen.
What about that?
Not allowed of apps as of right now. So again, this is coming out. I don't know what they have coming. This is what they're showing us.
They will see the demand. Can you do the opening again? So this was okay. Out of milk, so the Amazon or something.
Not yet, no. I'll show you a couple of things that we do have though. So the next thing I want to show you, well, it comes with Alexa built in, so just as if you had it on the counter, it's going to act the same way. You can answer questions, you can play music, and order from Amazon. It's just like having it on the counter, except it's built in.
You can talk.
Yep, it has microphones. Now we have four views of the inside. So you go to the supermarket, say, do I have milk? You get on your phone, pull up this picture, no milk, so now you can order milk. You can go in and get the milk. As far as track this inside, everything's manual now. If you got to input something, you can put it manually. Just like I showed you the expiration dates, you got to do it manually.
It's going to be like, do we have eggs? later.
When you look at the picture, you have to use a camera. The next thing we have is you can see ThinQ. You saw the ThinQ, you've seen ThinQ all over the LG experience. In the kitchen, the way we connect all our devices together, or what we're doing in the kitchen, one of the ways, is you pull up a recipe on your refrigerator. From the refrigerator, you're going to send the recipe to the oven. So the oven's going to look at the recipe. It's going to say 450 degrees, preheats at 450 degrees, and you're ready to put the pizza in the oven's ready. Now, along with telling the oven to preheat to 450, it's telling the dishwasher, hey, you're either going to need a light, medium, or heavy wash cycle, depending upon what the dish is. Pizza might be a light wash cycle. You get like a cheesy casserole, it's going to be a heavy, dirty cycle. So it's going to, the dishwasher will say, hey, you put it in, you want a heavy cycle, it's going to preset it to that for you. That's the big thing right now, this ThinQ, and having all the items to talk about.
Yes. Pardon me, sorry. Really good. Thanks for the introduction.
You're welcome.